Hey y'all, welcome back to Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures. I'm Summertime Kev, and this is the first in a series of the Eagle Eye, the Lowrance Eagle Eye 9 forward-facing sonar or live sonar that I installed on my 2021 FishPro. You're gonna love it. This is the first in a series, and first and foremost, will it help me catch fish?
So there's some fish by this one right here. All these are fish swimming around. You can see them right here in front of the post. Let's see if I can get a better. I'm really too close. Back up a little bit. Yeah, so here's our pillar, and here's the fish right here. You should be able to look underneath it. Yeah, they're on that side. There's a bunch of fish out there. Okay, where's the water depth? Let's see, menu, forward. Downrange, here we go. Let's put it on auto. It's 20, 30 feet. Here we go. Here we go. Go 40 feet this way. They're right on a tree. Got one. Here I am, right there. Took him off the tree. Whoa, he's a good one. Oh yes, first cast, check him out. Holy crap. He pulled him right off that tree right there. That tree right there. He came right out and got it. That's a beauty. He's about 10 or 11 inches, about 11 inches maybe. Awesome, awesome. That's crazy. I know exactly where they are. He is fat. He's actually a keeper, but I'm not keeping any because my hands are cold. Look at that. He is 11.5 inches. First cast, right on that tree with a crappie bite. All right, let's try it again. Maybe we got lucky. We just found a hungry one. My hands are freezing. Okay, 40 feet out. Let's see where they're at now. There's the tree. Right there. 30 feet out this time. I can barely see my lure. There it goes. It's dropping. Right here. All right, let's go by the tree. Right over the tree. Just came out. Oh, they're after it. Look, they came out after it right there. There's my lure. Up. They came right out of the tree, but didn't take it. Whoa. That is so cool. Got one going after it. He let go. See him right here. He came up. He came out of the tree and came after it, but I didn't see it. All right, so I'm going to show you. I've already caught 2 fish on this by finding fish on the bottom. So I'm going to go look at these pillars now. Right now I've got it on down, so we're looking straight down below the boat. Zooming in a little bit, and there's fish right there. They kind of took off when they heard the motor. So let's zoom in on these things. Oops. Live sonar. Menu. And then we're gonna go up here and go forward.
You guys, I am so excited. That was basically just an uncut 4 or 5 minutes of me taking out the Lowrance Eagle Eye 9 that I just installed on my 2021 Sea-Doo FishPro. And I'm so excited. It works so good. It's so clear. I didn't expect it to be anything like that. You know, you watch all the videos and people are talking, it's not so good. And now I've fished with Garmin LVS 34 Plus, and it is not that good. Obviously, it is not that good, but it didn't cost $3,500 or something in that nature, and it doesn't weigh that much, and it doesn't take that much power. I've got a small battery power in that thing. Man, this is exactly what Fish Pro lovers, jet ski fishing people need. I'm going to post a whole bunch of these videos and give you all the details. I'll give you the install, give you some cost rundown, and also put some links in my descriptions on what I used so you don't make any mistakes, because I made a few mistakes, you know, putting it together. It took me a few hours last night, but today it was gorgeous outside, except for it was 36 degrees. It was sunny, and by the time I got out there, I only had sun for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then it started getting the sun was going down basically, and it was getting so cold. So anyway, I hope you guys like that. Check out the rest of my videos coming up on this series, Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures, and it's gonna be the FishPro Lowrance Eagle Eye 9 install series. So you guys check that out. I will see you guys over there.